the Viking view of the afterlife was unique. There weren't really punishments, not really, for doing bad things, unless you did something really bad. Then you ended up as basically an evil spirit haunting your grave. But if you were brave, then you got taken to the house of the dead, which is Valhalla, and you were resurrected. Every day you would fight, and whatever wounds you got would be magically healed that night. And then the next morning you'd get up and do it again. So you're essentially practicing for Ragnarok, the final battle, which you would lose. So I'm not sure. It's rather pessimistic.
The battle is it sounds like losing is not a thing. The battle itself is what matters. So Valhalla is a place where you fight a battle every day.
Every day.
Unlimited food. There's like a boar or whatever. There's unlimited wine.
Yep.
And you can die as much as you want. You're reborn again. And this is the idea of the highest. This, I guess, if there's such a thing as heaven in this kinds of construction of the universe, this is heaven. This is the highest form. This is the highest place you can go to is Valhalla.
Yeah.
Is fight every day, eat as much as you want, drink as much as you want, die, and are reborn the next day.
Yeah.
And it's for forever. Preparing yourself for the final battle of Ragnarok. So this is the end of the world. This is the cataclysm.
That's right.
Yeah.
Odin's going to die. Thor will die. He'll get killed by one of Loki's children, the Midgard serpent. Odin will be devoured by a wolf. The sun and moon, which are being chased by monsters, by giants, will be caught and swallowed by the giants, plunging the world into eternal darkness. Essentially, all the gods will die, and darkness and chaos will then ensue. And then at the very end, this is mostly from a guy named Snorri Sturluson, who was living right at the end of the Viking Age and writing this. And he was, I believe, a Christian. So I think we're fusing things here.
Yeah.
So then there would be a new earth and a new heaven and a new God who's all powerful.